What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the Salesman from Squid Game. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw the bottom edge of the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then down towards the outside. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then down. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind. So from the inside, we're going to draw a circle going around, come down, just tuck that in, and then do the same thing on the right side. Let's go to the top of each eye and draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's go up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start with a curve going up and then down. Go back to the outside, we're going to go higher in the middle and then back down towards a point. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move to the center, step down and add a curve for the nose. We're going to come down and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to move down and draw the mouth. Starting on the left, goes down, then up, add a bracket on the ends, step down, add a curve for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, bend this down, go across, and bend that back up towards the right. Let's go back and add some dimples with a short curve on either side. Now I'm going to go back to the left side of the head. We're going to curve the hairline going up and then in, bend this around, up, and then down. Let's brush the hair over towards the right side. Start by going up. Now we're going to come down around the outside of the eyebrow and then bend that out toward the side of the head. And then on the side of the head, we're going to add the ears. We're going to go up, come down and in. And then along the top, we're going to add a curve for a fold. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now we're going to go back up to this point here and draw the right side of the hair. We're going to brush this across. Going up towards the top, come all the way around, and then down. Let's add a curl. Go up, bend this down and in towards the side of the head, and we'll add a fold. Stepping back, curve this down and in on top of the ear. Now I want to draw on the left side of the hair. Starting from the top, going up, then out. Let's add a small point. We're going to add another point going out towards the side. And then bring that back in. Now let's round out the head. And pull this in on top of the ear. Now I'm going to add some texture across the base of the hair. Let's start in the middle. Start with the left side. We're going to go up and then down. Go back to the middle. Go up and then across towards the right. Move over. Draw another curve. And now we're going to move down and draw in the collar of the jacket. Let's start on the left side. Bend this down and then in towards the center of the body. Go out and back up. Let's go to the center, draw a V. From that center point, angle the collar coming down and out toward the left and right. And just tuck this up in behind the jacket collar. Now I'm going to add the tie, angle this down and in, flatten off the bottom, and then from the bottom corners of the knot, angle the tie coming down and then out. On the side of the jacket collar, angle the collar coming down and out. Bend this down and then in towards that bottom point. Now along this line, angle the top of the collar going up and out. Bend this up and in underneath the head. Now from the collar, we move out to the side. We want to bend the body going out and then down towards the hips. And we'll round out the bottom. Let's go back to the center, draw a straight line coming down. And then on the right side, we'll add 2 buttons, one across the top and one on the bottom. Now in the middle of the body, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Go to the center, we're going to split the legs in half, drawing a straight line coming down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and up, go back to the center, and go around the right side. Now I want to curve the top of the feet. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now from the hips, we're going to step in, bend the legs, going out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back down to the bottom. We're going to add a thick sole, so we want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the one on the right. We're going to tuck the arm in behind the body. So starting underneath the head, curve this out, and then down towards the elbow. Round this out and just pull it in towards the side of the body. Now along the side of the body, we're going to add a fold. Let's line up this fold all the way over on the left side. We're going to bend the arm coming down and out towards the elbow. Round up the arm, go up towards the wrist. Now I'm going to curve the wrist. Coming across and then up. Add a fold coming down. Let's separate the cuff, step down, add another curve. Now along the top, we're going to add the palm. We're going to go up and then out. And we're going to stack 3 fingers along the top. Starting on top of the palm, round up the finger, then this out. Let's do that 2 more times. Add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around towards the back of the hand and then in towards the outside of the cuff. Let's layer those 2 cards in behind the hand. We're going to start from the top finger, go up, come across and in, down, and then back in towards the hand. Let's add another card in behind in an angle. So we're going to start from the top, go up, across, and then back in. And we want to finish off by closing off the arms. So we're going to line this up, and we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Salesman from Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.